Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this late Friday evening, almost 10 o'clock. We're looking at the satellite and radar composite. Bottom line, clouds are going to be pretty stubborn over the holiday weekend. We're looking at the satellite photo right now. Here's the wider view. Some of that rain and wind that came through late Thursday night, early Friday morning is offshore, but that precipitation is pretty much stalled out. In fact, let me widen out the view. And quite simply, this moisture off the East Coast, along with the cloud cover, is pretty much stalled out in this area right in here. And these clouds, we're going to maintain the cloud cover Saturday through at least Sunday. And some of this moisture is going to try to back in as well. So sort of a lot to cover. Let's first show you the forecast. I want to jump ahead to early on Saturday. Well, actually, this is Saturday afternoon. Area of low pressure, storm system will be forming to our south. So throwing back some clouds on Saturday, breezy and cool conditions. Early in the morning, there may be a touch of drizzle, and I'll show you that in more detail in just a second. And then during the afternoon, just kind of cloudy skies and basically dry the second half of the day. But you really start to see this storm wrapping up on Sunday. Notice now, here's southern New England. This is well offshore, but the circulation around it, it'll try to throw back some moisture in the form of some light snow. This is Sunday afternoon, especially out towards Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts. How close to the coastline will determine how far west this snow shield will work in, but right now it's mainly concentrated on Sunday across far southeastern Massachusetts. Take this into Sunday night, and again, that snow shield is still eastern Mass, the Cape, Plymouth County, probably include New Bedford in there as well. The further west you go, it's basically dry. This is Sunday night. Again, even though the storm is well offshore, circulation is still throwing back some moisture. And then here we are Monday morning, Martin Luther King, actually Monday afternoon. We'll start with clouds and maybe a flurry, and then during the afternoon right in here, you're going to try to sneak in some afternoon sunshine. It'll be brisk and chilly. So I guess the wild card here and the forecast over the weekend on Sunday, how close to the coastline does this offshore storm come on Sunday will determine where the snow sets up. But we're leaning towards a southeastern Massachusetts only. So we're getting real close. And here's the one thing I want to point out. Early on Saturday morning around 5, 6, 7 a.m., and what this color represents is a touch of mist or drizzle. But notice how the drizzle is occurring with temperatures near freezing. So there could be some freezing drizzle around daybreak on Saturday. We'll have to watch for that, though it does pull away. So during the afternoon, it's mostly cloudy and drier. This is Saturday afternoon around 2 o'clock. It's chilly. It's in the mid-30s. Cloudy skies all day long right into Saturday night. Let's jump ahead now to Sunday as far as the snow potential. It still remains to be confined to essentially southeast Mass. So right in here from roughly Plymouth, we can include New Bedford, Taunton, and out towards the Cape. Right in here, not out of the question, especially out in here, picking up 1 to 3 inches of snow. As for now, for Rhode Island and eastern Connecticut, we'll just get away with just snow showers or flurries on Sunday, but it wouldn't take much of a shift to the west to put us in some slightly steadier snow. But for now, we're going to keep that confined to right out in here. Bottom line, check back with us on Sunday, but for now, we're just playing it as flurries and light snow showers on Sunday. For your Saturday morning, we're looking at clouds and, again, some mist and drizzle early. And, again, with temperatures not that far from freezing, this could be a spot of freezing drizzles. You're going to want to check in with meteorologist Brittany Trumpy early on Sunday morning to see how Saturday morning to see how this plays out. And then it should be drier later in the afternoon, and then mostly cloudy, drier Saturday afternoon. Temperatures breezy and chilly in the middle to upper 30s. And then again, we're looking at a touch of light snow on Sunday. Bay forecast on Saturday. Visibility unlimited, though the exception would be early in the morning with some drizzle on a north breeze at 10 to 15 knots, gust to 25 knots. All right, here's a 7-day. Well, let's show it to you. Looking at early morning drizzle on Saturday, windy, chilly on Sunday, and we've got some scattered snow showers throughout the day. And then Martin Luther King Monday, some morning clouds, a little bit of sun in the afternoon, breezy, actually windy and chilly. Seasonably cool with temperatures in the upper 30s.